Hi guys. Okay, you are going to get this paper out and I am going to show you how to do this. We're going to be doing beginning sounds. So once you have your paper out, you are going to make your little spinner right here. And we're going to look at the pictures. I have what is this? We have a mailbox. We have a dog. We have a popsicle, and we have a sandwich. Oops, I moved it, sorry. So when I spin this, then I'm going to look at my coloring paper and color in one of the pictures that has the same beginning sounds. And I also have to use my smart brain because I have to color it the color it tells me to. So I'm going to start off, we'll do a first one together. I'm going to spin, and I landed on mailbox. So what color is with mailbox? That's right, the red is with the mailbox. So I'm going to grab my red marker and I'm going to find a picture that starts with the sound. Does dolphin start with the sound? No. What about sun? No. Pencil? Oh. Milk. Milk starts with the sound. So you can do this two ways. You can get creative and you can trace around the box if you want. Or you can color the picture that color. But remember, we're using the color that was on the spinner to color the picture. So there we go. Now I'm going to take it again and I'm going to spin. And I want you to take your time when you're coloring. Make sure you get all the white spaces. I'm doing this quickly, but I want you to take your time and make your pictures pretty and then send me a picture. All right, here we go. Whee! I got popsicle. So now I need to look on my paper and I need to find the orange marker. See the orange right there? I'm going to grab an orange marker and I need to find one that starts with popsicle. And I don't think dolphin does. Sun does not. What about pencil? Pencil, popsicle. So I'm going to color the pencil. My very best coloring. I'm staying in the lines. I'm getting the white spots. And then if you want to use a different color to go with it, you can. All right, you are going to continue to do that. So you just put a pen here and a marker and you spin. What happens if you run out of P pictures? You'll just skip it and go again and keep spinning until you color in all of the pictures. I hope you like this activity. Send me a picture and guess what else? Put your name on your paper. Do your very, very best to write your name. Can't wait to see it.